Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Louisville, where we talk all things outdoor living. I am your host from Tough Deck Builders Louisville, and today we are talking about deck stairs and how to make them safe, comfortable, and code compliant. Stairs are the pathway between your deck and the rest of your yard. When they are built well, people hardly think about them. When they are built poorly, everyone notices. Stairs that are too steep, too narrow, or inconsistent in height can be uncomfortable at best and unsafe at worst. A good set of deck stairs starts with proper layout. We look at how high the deck is off the ground and then divide that height into consistent step rises so each step feels the same as the last. The tread depth, which is the part you step on, needs to be deep enough for a full confident step. Width matters too. Wider stairs are easier to use and often more inviting, especially when they serve as a main path from a deck down to a patio or lawn. Structure is just as important as layout. The stair stringers, which are the boards that support the treads, must be properly cut, supported, and connected to the deck frame. The bottom of the stairs should land on a stable surface, often a concrete pad or solid base, so the steps do not sink or shift over time. When the deck uses composite decking, many homeowners choose matching composite treads similar to products from Fiberon to keep the look consistent and the maintenance low. Handrails and guardrails round out the design. They give people something to hold onto and help prevent falls, especially for kids, older adults, or anyone carrying items up and down. Proper railing height, spacing, and attachment make the stairs feel secure and finished. At Tough Deck Builders Louisville, we see stairs as a key part of every deck project, not an afterthought. You can reach our team at 502-677-4691 or visit toughdeckbuilderslouisville.com to learn more about our deck construction services and stair design options. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Louisville. With well-designed stairs, your deck connects smoothly to the rest of your property and feels safer and more comfortable for everyone who uses it.